Hello everyone, welcome back to XRP Ripple coin holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm going to predicate the XRP. What's the future of XRP? What's the price? And this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Now this time you can see here, my friends, the price of XRP is going good, my friends. So absolutely, if the price is going good, that's why I'm feeling very good. You also feeling good about the XRP Ripple coin. So what's the future of XRP Ripple coin? Is the price pump in the future? Is the price dump in the future? And this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, my friends. Now you can see, my friends, that is the latest update of the XRP and the market 0.6x7 7862 USD dollar. That is the current price of the XRP now in the market. And furthermore, you can see the 24 hours chain is going positive and the XRP Ripple coin. You can see 0.92% the changes occurs in the XRP as positive. This means that the changes is positive. That means that the price start increasing. That is why the changes here is positive, my friends. And you can see here the market cap $67.78 billion is the market cap of the XRP now at this time in the market. And same like that, you can see here if we talk about the 24 hours trading volume, so $3.11 billion is the XRP trading volume and the last 24 hours. Only in the 24 hours the trading volume of XRP is very highly pumped, my friends. I can't believe XRP Ripple coin this time in the market. Absolutely, the volume is very fastly increased now in the market. And my friends, you can see here absolutely a very complex structure change so in the XRP Ripple coin. That is the last one day price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. You know what? And in the last 24 hours, the price of XRP is very badly fast down. You can see the price fast down. That is the highest price point of the XRP Ripple coin. But now the currently you can see the price is very badly dumps now. But now at this time the latest changes, as you can see here, now in the last time the price again start pumping at this time in the market. So absolutely it's a complex structure, but now I hope, as I told you, as I predicated XRP Ripple coin in my previous videos that XRP will give you good amount of profit. I hope you will get high amount of profit from XRP in the July month, my friends. Let me show you the more details about XRP Ripple coin. You can see 24-hour highest price, 24 hours low price, net change, 24 hours opening, my friends. See all matrices, everything is present here, my friends. That is the lowest price of the XRP, that is the highest price of the XRP, and that is the opening price of the XRP, and that is the net change occurring in the XRP Ripple coin, the average change occurring in the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. You can see here returns, total supply, all-time highest, everything you can see present here, my friends. Volatility of the XRP Ripple coin is 1.25 USD dollar and the 30 days, my friends, in the last 1 month. You can see that's all update of the XRP Ripple coin. So hope you like this update of the XRP Ripple coin. Please subscribe my channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.